put the picture that an interviewer wants to see of a successful candidate. What would I really want to observe? What would I really want to see in that particular person? Right?
Right.
All of this is basically to help me piece that picture as well as possible. Because 15 minutes में मैं कितना समझ पाऊंगा किसी के बारे में.
True.
Right? और उसमें भी कंडीशनल चीज है कि भैया आज मेरा सुबह नाश्ता ठीक से नहीं मिला मेरे को, या मैं कल रात को कुछ कर रहा था that was not really very comforting, or I have gone through a personal tragedy in the recent past, or whatever. There are so many things that could create a contextual gap in the real me and the person who is giving the interview or rather responding to an interview, right? तो मेरे को तो ये देखना है कि भैया देखो, एक तो अगर आपने ये इंस्टीट्यूट चुना है तो ये इंस्टीट्यूट आपने इसीलिए चुना है कि दिस इज एन इंस्टीट्यूट व्हिच हैज बीन promoted by all the media, everybody around, as an institute which gives you multi-million salaries and takes you to the places? Or do you have actually an individual idea and a thought about what you want to do here? Right? I also want to understand the presence, the awareness, the mindfulness of that particular person. एक और चीज जो मैं बोलता हूँ लोगों को, which is very simple to understand, that management is a leadership discipline. It is not a discipline which is basically about taking orders from others and executing it. Eventually, you are going to make good out of this particular opportunity if you show leadership qualities.
You're supposed to make things happen as a manager.
You are supposed to make things happen against the challenges. Means you have the same half chances that everybody had, right? Yeah. So you show me some things which is basically around that I have the beginnings, I have the basis to be a leader, right? And leadership can be learned and leadership can be developed over a period of time, but it needs that mental frame, the vision of the bigger things, belief and conviction that you need. You need a lot of empathy and compassion. So these are some of the things that I would like to really understand, right? Then I also want to understand how have you used your life so far? So maybe you were not so aware and you did not really do well in your life in academics, or you don't have any national awards or big certificates to show, but you have to show me some sincerity, some persistence, patience, some sort of a visibility. अगर आप ऐसे ही आ गए कि भैया सब मेरे पड़ोस के बच्चे ने भी दिया था तो मैं भी आ गया करके kind of a thing, तो then you are not really part. And other than that, I also want to see extreme level of seriousness. I am not using the word sincerity here. Extreme level of seriousness that I am dedicated, I want this, and basically I have done good enough to deserve this.
Right.